Hello, my name is Jay and I'm one of your teachers. In the previous grammar video, you learned how to use personal pronouns and the verb to be in the affirmative form. Today, you are going to learn the verb to be in the present simple negative and interrogative, as well as how to use short answers. Let's start with an extract from the ABBA film of this unit, A New Friend, where Diana and Karen discuss a friend's nationality. You will see them use the verb to be in the negative and interrogative forms. Let's see if you can identify these sentences.
Hello? Hey. Am I late?
No, you're on time. He's not here yet.
Is he French?
No, he's not French. He's Italian.
Oh, Italian. What is his name?
His name is Paolo.
Let's see the examples of the verb to be in the negative and interrogative that you have just seen in this extract from the ABBA film. Is he French? No, he is not French. Look carefully at the structure of the interrogative and negative examples of the verb to be and pay attention to where we find the verb to be in these examples. Now, let's look at each of them. The verb to be in the present simple negative. To form negative sentences, we put the word not after the verb, as in, he is not French. Let's see some more examples. I am English. I am not American. He is Spanish. He is not Italian. They are French. They are not Brazilian. The verb to be in the present simple interrogative. Now, let's see how to form the verb to be in the present simple interrogative. In the extract from the ABBA film, we could see the sentence, is he French? As you can see, to form the interrogative, we put the verb before the subject. Let's see some more examples. The affirmative sentence, you are Japanese, becomes the interrogative, are you Japanese? She is Russian. Is she Russian? They are Canadian. Are they Canadian? Short answers with the verb to be in the present simple. Now that we know how to form questions, let's see how to respond to these questions using short answers with the verb to be in the present simple. It's important that you know that we only use short answers when the answer to the question is yes or no. Look, is he Italian? The affirmative answer is yes, he is. And the negative answer is no, he is not. As you can see, we form the short answer with yes or no, plus the subject pronoun and the verb to be in the present simple affirmative or negative. Let's see a couple of extra examples. Are you English? Yes, I am. No, I am not. Are they French? Yes, they are. No, they are not. Well, in this class, you have learned how to use the verb to be in the present simple negative, interrogative, and short answers in English. I hope you enjoyed this class. It was lots of English, right? Remember, if you have any doubts, you have an assigned teacher who will help answer your questions and guide you throughout your learning process. Take care. Bye-bye.